Good night, companies and tutors. Effect of technology on the environment. The emergence of net information and communication technologies has led to a change in consumer behavior, and in recent decades we have undergone many changes. Some on the line of the growing use of tools, such as the computer, mobile phone, tablets and other digital aids, as well as an increase in television channels, the growth of electronic commerce, the digitalization of various communication media, among other internet services and applications. As these trends continue to progress very soon, most of the various activities that would come performed in person will no longer be this way, but would in worldwide. Most of the activity will be technology or virtual. Benefits of technology over the environment, but technology is not only negative as an environment, but it can also contribute to its improvement and may well be an important tool for environmental conservation. Some examples may be recycling. The advancement of technology as Hollywood do increase the recycling process of waste that generated in different activities and is still possible to innovate more in this sphere. Technology allows great technical and scientific knowledge of the environment, contributing to the design and creation of goods or services that favor the conservation of the environment. Development of knowledge forms development allows creating stages and sales law on the environment, contributing and the data and creation of goods or services that favor the conservation of the environment. Development of new energy for things and friendly to the environment such as solar or wind energy. Development of transportation that use more environmentally friendly fuels. Develop systems that avoid environment-friendly loss of chemical waste. Develop systems that control the use of energy at home or in the workplace. Thank you, tutor.